In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a free gift with purchase on Shopify. Offering a free gift is a great way to increase your average order value and reward your customers. And Shopify makes this really simple using an automatic buy X get Y discount. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along in your own store. First, sign into your Shopify admin and go to your main Shopify dashboard. This is the home screen where you see your sales, orders, and key stats. From the left-hand menu, look for the discounts option and click on it. This is where all your coupon codes and automatic discounts are managed. On the discounts page, click on the Create Discount button. You'll see a few different types of discounts you can create. For a free gift with purchase, select the Buy X Get Y option. This tells Shopify that when a customer buys one thing, they'll get another item at a special price, in this case, free. Now, choose automatic discount so it applies automatically at checkout, without the customer needing to enter a code. Give your discount a clear title, such as free gift with purchase, so you can easily recognize it later in your admin. Next, set up the Buy X part. Type in the quantity customers need to buy, for example, 1 or 2 items. Then click on Browse to choose which product or products qualify. Select the products that customers must purchase to be eligible for the free gift and click Add to confirm. Now move to the Get Y section. Type in the quantity of the free item they will receive when they qualify, usually 1. In the Add a discounted value area, select the option for free so that the gift is completely free for the customer. Click Browse again and choose the product that will be given as the free gift, then click Add. To prevent customers from getting multiple free gifts in the same order, click the checkbox next to Set a maximum number of uses per order and type 1 in the field. If this is a limited time promotion, scroll down and click the checkbox next to Set End Date. Then click on the End Date field and choose the date when you want the offer to stop. When everything looks good, click Save. Your automatic free gift with purchase offer is now live and